Welcome back to Onwards and Upwards. Today we're going to be doing a bushwhacking hike, no trail, along a creek in the Monashee Mountains. So I hope you guys enjoy this one, and let's check out some undisturbed waterfalls. Some wild blueberries here. Nice. These plants are terrible. Avoid these plants at all costs. These are terribly spiky plants, and because they have spikes all over them, I try and wear long sleeves to avoid getting prickled too much. Sometimes you'll see these guys in this region. These berries are poisonous. Do not eat these berries because you might die. And you can tell that they're the poisonous ones because they only grow on one single strand. At some point in the past, this might have been a monstrous river, and some of the geology I'll show you later on seems to show the water carving down this little valley. All right, so this is a beautiful little spot here. Nice waterfall. It's always nice to get a bit of cold water on the head. So the wide rock faces that are carved like that, to me, really point towards a potential large river that rushed through here at some point. I wouldn't be surprised at all if it was related to the melting of the glaciers at the end of the last ice age. All right, so I forgot to film, but I just picked up a Molson Canadian can from this stump here. And I just picked it up because nobody's gonna come here for 6 months probably. It's so remote. And I just, you know, this is just never gonna get removed if I don't remove it, so. There's an awesome waterfall here. To me, that looks like it's potentially carved out by water under extreme pressure. Beautiful spot up there too. Let's check it out. This is a really nice spot. It's got my foot moderately wet. Fell in the river a bit, but my sock is actually fine. So this is really spooky. When I jumped right there, after I jumped, I just found this pin stuck into the side of my shoe. So I wonder if some malevolent person left it there as a trap. How else would I have gotten this in my shoe in such a remote place? But it's just super strange. At least there's some blueberries right here. So I'm not actually sure what these plants are called, but I think they should be called evil maple leaves. So I'm not sure what type of berries these are. Not a bad stash here. That's a good munch. This is probably the nicest waterfall yet so far. So I'm not sure what type of animal could have created this. At first I thought it might have been a woodpecker, but that's a really big hole. So I just went up the bank of the creek and followed this road a little bit. And I found an old campfire with some cans. There used to be a lot of logging around here, and I'm pretty sure some of the loggers left this year. That must have been a long time ago. Alright, so I'm going to head back down the creek now, so I want to say thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next time on Onwards and Upwards.